Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to pair your AMAZFIT UP EarBuz with your Windows PC. At first, you need to do the right click on this Windows logo at the bottom of your screen. Click Settings, and now click Bluetooth and Devices. Here, click Devices again, and click Add Device. Here, click Bluetooth. Once done, open the case lid, and here at the back of your case, find this circle button. Hold the circle button for 2 seconds until you see the white light pulsing right here. It's done. Now we should see our device here. It's here, so we need to click this device, and now we are good to go. Goodbye.